Hey everyone, today we're going to be mounting the Streamax AD Plus and AD Plus 2.0 dash cam with the Gamber-Johnson suction cup mount. To get started, we'll take a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the screw and the mounting plate on the camera. This just offers some more flexibility when mounting. Then we'll take this camera and then grab the suction cup mount. We'll place the mounting surface from the camera into the V-notch channel of the mount and fold it flat up against the mount. Then we'll take our back clamp bracket and position the clamp bracket over top of the mounting plate for the camera and over the number 10 stud on the camera mount. Holding that in place, we'll take a washer and a number 10 nylock nut and thread that into place. Then we'll take a 3/8 socket and finish tightening the nut. With the camera mounted and the nut tightened, now we can go to the vehicle for installation. We will proceed with peeling off the backing of the suction cup, then locating the area on the windshield in which you want to place the dash cam. So we will line up the camera to ensure that you're level. Find the location, stick the suction cup to the windshield, then rotate the lever, and now you have installed the mount. Furthermore, you can adjust the tilt of the camera from its gimbal. Then you can tighten into place with a Phillips head screwdriver.